Hey guys, welcome to any channel. Today we have this HP laptop and I'm gonna show you how you can bypass this system fan 90B error. So here we go. So guys, you just have to restart your laptop. Just simply power it off first and then turn it on. And guys, now you're gonna see this error message again. So all you have to do is just simply press the enter key before 15 seconds. And there you go. The error message is successfully bypassed, but guys, you have to check your laptop's fan if there's really an error. By the way, that's how you can bypass this error message. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.